We moved here in August of '95, and it was magic immediately.
I walked through that gate, and to have it quiet, leave 202, 287, all of the roads zooming around, instantly you're in your own little private world, looking at the most beautiful scenery I've ever seen. We like old houses, period. But second, we like well-built houses, really solid. They don't build them like this anymore.
And the 1860s charm is still here. Winter, when it's a snowstorm, you're sitting here with a cup of tea looking out, it is just really something else. But then we go into springtime, we can sleep with the windows open and hear all kinds of bird song. And summer is beautiful, the pool, you can just sit down there with your newspaper or grandchildren or whatever, and you feel really far away down there.
The pond is 6 acres, and it backs up on a river which is the headwater to the Passaic River. It also has really great trout in it. It's a Class 1 trout stream. I really just find it peaceful.
It's country, it's quiet, and proximity to New York. If you want to go on a Sunday morning, you can be parked in 45 minutes. There's something interesting to see the minute I open that gate, and it fills me with why I love this place.